Hello, welcome to JobKnowledge channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from YouTube to your mobile devices without any application. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and press that bell button so you'll get all the notifications from us in the future. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, you need to go to your YouTube application and search for the video that you wish to download. After the video page is fully loaded, just click the share button and then copy the link from the video. Now go to the browser that you have on your mobile phone and paste the link. The new link for the video will appear right after the page fully loaded, and you need to copy it once again and then paste it in the same box. Then try to find the letter M dot at the beginning of the link and delete it. Change with SS letter before you press the go or enter button. Now all you need to do is wait for the download pages to fully loaded and simply press the download button. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video.